Hello, and today we are looking at the Daron Virgin Atlantic A350, which is a nice little detailed die-cast metal model which comes packaged in this little presentation box here, which is a nice big viewing window so you can have it on display in the box if you so chose, with big Virgin Atlantic branding written on the top and the bottom of the box. This is a model for ages 3+ with a warning written here. But now let's have a closer look at the model itself. It comes packaged on this little thing here, which we've already taken off, so we can get straight into looking at the model. So if we take the model here and look, as you can see, it is a nice detailed die-cast metal model. It's quite simple with some of its details, but they are there. So if we start by looking at the wings, you can see the flaps, the ailerons on this model, as well as the blended wingtips found on the A350. Of course, you can also see the jet engines as well. You see the turbines inside them. You can see the engines from the back, like so. And then on the underneath, you can see them as well here. Now, whilst we're underneath the plane, you can see the landing gear on this plane. It has a very simple set of landing gear, these little plastic wheels, but they do actually roll like so, very gently. Just a nice little feature for it to have. Coming back, if we move to the stabilizers, on the horizontal stabilizers you can see the elevators, and then here you can see the nice big vertical stabilizer with Virgin written across it. Now again, we can see the nice detail across. You see all of this printing is as accurate as possible to make it look as real. You see all the doors and windows very nicely placed where they should be. And the same for the cockpit as well. If we turn it to the other side, you can see the same level of detail is all across this model. Well, that's a nice little simple model, still a great representation of the Airbus A350 in the Virgin Atlantic livery. Now let's go into a little bit more about this livery. See, again, it is the Virgin Atlantic. You can see at the front here, we have one of the flying icons, which was introduced in 2019 on the Airbus A350, which replaced the flying lady that was on the Virgin Atlantic livery beforehand. You see, it's got the Euro white design of the Virgin Atlantic planes, looking very nice and very clean. Of course, it also has the purple text for the Virgin Atlantic on it, which with the lighting may be a little bit more difficult to see, but it is written in a purple font. The same on both sides. And of course, the iconic red for the tail and the engines of this plane. Now, if we're going to a little bit about this plane's size quickly, it has a length of about 15 centimeters or 5.9 inches and a wingspan of about 14.6 centimeters or 5.7 inches. So it's a nice sized model of the Airbus A350. Now, let's briefly go into a little bit about the history of the Airbus A350. Now, the Airbus A350 is a long-range, wide-body, twin-jet airliner. So, wide-body means the body is wider, so they can have multiple rows of seats in it, making it really nice and spacious, and greater for longer ranges, so you can travel more people further. And it first began production in 2010 and remains in production to this day. So you may see new ones of these flying around, which is really nice to see. It first flew in 2013 and entered full service in 2015. And it succeeded the Airbus A340, so the Airbus A340 ended production, and this took place as its priority. And it competes mostly against other wide-body, long-range airliners, such as the Boeing 777 and the Boeing 787, as this was originally designed to compete with the 787. As the 787 came out, and this was designed in response to compete against it. So overall, it's a really nice little simple model of the Virgin Atlantic Airbus A350 with a nice Virgin Atlantic livery with cool little details such as the flying icons, the accurate livery, the really nice printing to make sure it's as accurate as possible, some nice little details such as the flaps, the ailerons, the blended wingtips, nice Virgin written on the front, Virgin written on the vertical stabilizer, just to make sure this plane is as accurate as possible, whilst keeping a nice little simple model itself. Once again, it comes packaged in this nice little presentation box with Daron written on the front and Virgin Atlantic branding as well, as this is an officially licensed product. And it's a great little gift for anyone who is a fan of the Airbus A350, maybe the Virgin Atlantic, or maybe someone who has flown on a plane like this on their travels or holidays. It's a great piece for anyone that is a fan of aviation. And it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.